griddle day. I've been wanting a griddle for a while, and I was in Sam's, found this one on sale. It's a 4-burner griddle grill, so it's like a 60,000 BTUs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it together, season it up, and try to make us a little stir fry tonight. And I'll be back shortly, and we'll do a little time lapse on this put together. Thanks for watching. All right, here's some of the parts that come with it. Looks kind of like you got your legs, some corner joints. It's pretty good looking wheels here. Pretty high, heavy duty. Pack of screws. You got some more legs over here. It's like your panels. And then of course your main unit here. Get you down here where you can see this. And 4 burners on it. So we'll get back to putting it together. Just see how it goes. We'll be back. All right, they say the next step is to level this thing, but look, we're right. It's right on it, pretty close. You got these little spinners back here that adjust. You can see that. You can turn those. This is kind of what it looks like when you get done. Still got to put some hangers on it, but it's pretty nice surface here. So, all right, next we're going to season this thing up, and I may try to get it out on the back deck and we'll season it up. All right, first thing we want to do is soak this up, a little soap, a little water, and clean this thing up. Alright, I've been watching a bunch of videos. Some people say use flaxseed, olive oil, but the consensus has been canola oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray canola oil over this thing on the grill, turn it on, set it to medium heat. When it stops smoking, then we'll do it again. We're going to do about 3 or 4 times, see if we can get a good coating on this. So let's do it. All right, turn it on, throw this down. All right, I've got it up to medium. I put all these buttons on medium. Get y'all to look at it. And we're starting to get a little bit of smoke. We're supposed to keep this thing, I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to smoke. Once that smoke stops, we'll turn it off, put another coat on, and then turn it back on. We're gonna do this about 3 or 4 times, get us a nice seasoned layer here. All right, we have put 2 coats of canola oil on this grill. We're letting it cool down. I'm about to do 1 more coat, and I think that may have it. So let's do 1 more coat heat her back up and let her smoke a little bit. Also, I found this in the house. This is Lodge. I use it on all my pots and stuff, but it is 100% canola oil. So, you know, there's something to this canola oil. The reason I'm using canola oil is I watch videos of people using animal fat, like fat from bacon and that kind of stuff. It has salt in it. Salt seems to eat through the coating of this, and their grill has started chipping off. So the safe bet, I think, would be canola oil. So anyway, don't use anything with salt in it. You want to make sure you get the backs also, and I've been getting around the sides too. So okay, this is kind of what it looks like. Got a nice layer here. So what we'll do on this one, you turn it. That starts this first ignition, this first burner. Then you just kind of turn on the rest of your burners. On medium, not high. So I've got all 4 of them set to medium. This thing will start smoking, and this will be our 3rd coat. So we'll take a look at it after our 3rd coat and see if we need to go with it. All right, you've seen my seasoned grill. I appreciate you guys watching me put this whole thing together. It took maybe an hour and a half because I didn't know what I was doing, but I got it seasoned 3 times, as I said. So stay tuned for the next video, and we're going to put some stir-fried rice on here. We're going to put chicken. We're going to put broccoli, the whole kitchen sink in here, and just try it out and see how it tastes. So stay tuned. I'm about to shoot that video right now. Thanks for watching.